What's up guys, I'm here with 4 openings of these pre-rift kits for the new Riftbound set Unleashed. So we're going to test out the theory that these are actually better than buying loose packs or even booster boxes. I think everyone that's watching this is probably going to already know what's in the pre-seeded champion kits, but I will go through them afterwards. Let's just crack into the first pack. We've got a Spectral Centaur, Mischievous Mare, Shadow Watcher, Carrion Dredger, Grim Resolve, Bewitching Spirit, Spearhead's Heirloom, Star Spring, Meek Seeker Investigator, Chakram Dancer, a Bewitching Spirit, a Sacrifice, and a Slumpwork Map. Nothing too exciting in that pack, if I'm honest. On pack 2. Just in case you're unaware, you get 5 packs to either build a brand new deck or enhance the one you've got given. So we've got a Dawnstage Fanatics, Rinver the Lawkeeper, a Frisky Hunter, Ruined Rex, Gemhand Hunter, Crescent Guardian, Crimson Pigeons, Buzz Bay, Stalking Wolf, Altar of Blood, Flurry of Feathers, Evelyn Entrancing, and Ivan Nature. That's of course the green champion unit for Ivor. Next pack we've got Inferno, Wooja Apprentice, Spirit Burst, Tomation Dip, Lunar Boom, Loyal Porro, Tongue of Visionary, Deadly Flourish, Lotus Trap, Valley of Idols. We've got Poppy, Keeper of the Hammer, Determined Sanctuary, and Master Yi's signature spell, Alpha Strike. I've been at 2 rifts and not hit anything big, but I have seen 2 overnumbers be hit right next to me. One on each, one on each, and both by the same person. I've got Arena Kingpin, Double Trouble, Turn to Dust, Bolt Breaker, Vicious Snapjaw, Soul Harvest, Hunter's Machete, Blast Cone, The Academy, Fresh Beans, Double Trouble, Grim Apothecary, and Tactical Retreat. I feel like these packs are completely hit or miss. You either get amazing stuff in your box or you get nothing. And I think we can all see where this one's going. We've got a Frisky Hunter, a Spectral Centaur, a Sharkling, a Megatusk, Crimson Pigeons, Kinko Initiate, Lunar Boom, Forgotten Library, Enthusiastic Promoter, Black Flame Altar, Gentle Gem Dragon, got Pike, and Keeper of Masks, and a Brush Battlefield. So all in all, I'd say that one was pretty awful. On to the next. The chosen champion this time is Diana. Of course, we've got the Ash focused promo. I'll crack into these. I don't know why I bother using that full tab. Got Herald of Spring, Moonlight Affliction, Upstage Comedy, Bewitching Spirit, Carrion Dredger, Voracious Gomp, Star Crossed, Trapping Grounds, Insightful Investigator, An Altar of Blood, Upstage Comedy, Lilia, and Vex Apathetic. I believe that one's possibly a good hit. Oh, this is the first time I've actually seen this card. A Soul Sword, a Spectral Centaur, Mischievous Mare, Shadow Watcher, Heroic Charge, Gemhand Hunter, Isolate, Forgotten Signpost, Valley of the Idols, Scorched Claw, a Honey Fruit, not bad. Master Yi Tempered. And that's the All Art Pock Dockside Butcher. Very nice. Pike, one of the champions I might switch over to playing. Especially if we hit an Overnumber. We've got a few tries, but I'm not guaranteeing that. We've got Dawn Stage Dramatics, Remember the Lawkeeper, another Frisky Hunter, another Loyal Poro, Tyrant Combatants, Vicious Snapjaw, Shepherd's Heirloom, Abandoned Hall, Imposing Challenger, Safety Inspector, Scrutinising Sergeant, a Blood Rose, Blighted Battle Axe. 2 packs after this one. There we go. That's how they're supposed to open. A Ruined Rex, Inferno, Buju Apprentice, Dragon Soul Sage, Mr. Root, Vandal Soldier, Grim Resolve, Dusk Rose Lab, Frigid Jewel, Monster Harpoon, Walking Roost, Jin Murderous Artist, and Virtuoso. I feel like I'm still getting far too many champions, considering everyone was saying in this set that they were going to knock down the amount of champions you pulled, because they're basically dead cards in sealed. Sprite Burst, Arena Kingpin, Double Trouble, Turn to Dust, Evershade Stalker, Scrutinising Sergeant, Demacian Diplomat, Forgotten Library, Existential Dread, Gardens of Becoming, Abuja Apprentice in Foil, Diana Lunarai. Whoa. Is that the Overnumber? Holy. That is the Overnumber Poppy, Keeper of the Hammer. Wow. Haven't even set up a any sleeves for these, so that's how insistent I was that I wasn't going to pull anything. So I'm going to put those 2 up to the side over here. That's kind of stopped me in my tracks because I did not expect to get anything. Like I say, last pack magic on that box, and yeah, hit or miss, guys. As you see, the first box I got basically nothing, and that one I've hit quite a bit out of. Let's keep going. Keeper of the Hammer. I wasn't even going to play Poppy. I know people that are, but now I'm semi-tempted to actually play it. Oh, sorry, if you didn't know, that was Ivor and the Green Father. I keep calling him Ivor, but that's because I have a friend called Ivor. Let's get these somewhat out of the way now, because I should be sorting these out a lot better now. I promise we'll do that eventually. Okay, we're starting with a Mischievous Mirai. Oh, sorry, Combat Experience, Sprite Burst, Loyal Poro, not a Lonely Poro, Dragon Soul Sage, Bewitching Spirit, a Soul Harvest, a Willy Newtfish, Starhound, Soul Shepherd, Double Trouble, Normal Poppy, Jin, Meticulous Killer, next pack, Vault Breaker, Shadow Watcher, Ruin Rex, Different Bike, Isolate, Crimson Pigeons, Grim Resolve, Foreboding Wastes, Enthralling Protector, Square Up, got a Concentrate, a Honey Fruit, a Vibe Peacekeeper. That's not a bad pack. Why have I put those there? Three more packs to go. Arena Kingpin, Mutated Monster, Archer, Smite, Vicious Snapjaw, Black Rose Dignitary, Voracious Garchomp, Sinister Poro, Moss Topper, The Academy, Kha'Zix, Mutating Horror, Lilia, and a red Bamblebrack. There are still a couple of cards I'm looking for in this. I am looking for the, obviously the Elder Dragon like everybody is. I'm also looking for the Balmor, Heartspring, Turn Adjust, Upstage Comedy, Mr. Root, Scrutinizing Sergeant, Concentrate, Megatusk, Stare Down, Stalking Wolf, Black Flame Altar, Arena Kingpin, Scuttle Crab, and another Master Yi. That's 2 of the Master Yi Tempered, I believe. Last pack for this box. I'll have to do the other box in a different video. So we've got a Wudra Apprentice, Dramatic Visionary, Ring for the Wallkeeper, Combat Experience, Heroic Charge, Kinko, Isolate, Trevor Snoozebottom, Petal Pixie, Scorch Claw, a Bewitching Spirit, Conscription, and Diana. So that's another box with not a lot in really. But do we have time to do the last box? In fact, no, what we'll do is quickly go through these in case you don't know what's in them. So I'll start with Ivor the Greenfather. He comes with Nurturer, Starhound, Flurry of Feathers, Stalking Wolf, Friendship, Heroic Charge, Mutated Malsa, Soul Harvest, Ultra Pro, Frisky Hunter, Law Pro, Double Trouble, Crimson Pigeons, and Tempering Grounds. Vi, Pit Over Enforcer, Vi Peacekeeper, Square Up, Mage Seeker Investigator, Yeti Brawler, Lord Rothman, Heroic Charge, Black Rose Dignitary, Ultra Soft Poro, Carrion Dredger, Arena Kingpin, Sharkling, Smite, and Inferno. Pretty decent as a starting point for sealed, not gonna lie. Diana arguably one of the best ones. I've got Sign of the Moon, Lunar Eye, Frozen Strike, Abandon, Existential Dread, Chakram Dancer, Iceveil Archer, Eclipse, Lunar Bloom, Star-Crossed, Crescent Guardian, Moon Affliction, Walking Roost, Bewitching Spirit, and Abandon Hall. Right, I'm going to have to leave that one here, and I will start afresh for the last one on pack 4. So to recap, the 2 biggest pulls so far are the All Art Pike Dockside Butcher and the Overnumber Poppy Keeper of the Hammer. Right, catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.